In today's fast-paced world, engineers are constantly challenged to design compact, reliable, and durable devices for demanding applications. How do you free up precious printed circuit board space while ensuring high performance and longevity? Introducing the PTS845 series side-actuated tactile switch, the compact solution for high-use, space-constrained applications. With a footprint of just 4.5 by 3.4 millimeters, this switch empowers designers to optimize PCB layouts for added functionality or to minimize device size. The PTS845 series offers 3 operating force options: 80, 160, and 260 gram force, allowing precise customization for any application. Whether you need a gentle touch for consumer electronics or firm feedback for telecom devices, the PTS845 series has you covered. Engineered for durability, this tactile switch is rated for up to 1 million actuation cycles, ensuring long-lasting performance even in the most demanding environments. The switch's innovative surface-mounted technology with a peg option provides enhanced mounting strength, offering reliability and stability in assembly, critical for high-use applications. The PTS845 series is perfectly suited for a variety of applications, including telecom devices like mobile radios, consumer electronics such as gaming peripherals and dash cameras, and home automation systems. Compact, durable, and reliable, the PTS845 series side-actuated tactile switch is your solution for efficient and high-performance designs. For datasheets, samples, and more information on the PTS845 series tactile switches, visit Littelfuse.com.